Hello and a pleasant day to all viewers. Now we will going to demonstrate to you how to restore the printer white cover using agua oxinada. So we will put the old cover in the plastic box with agua oxinada. Wear gloves to prevent skin irritation. Now notice the color of the printer cover is yellowish due to aging. Then cover the box. The reason why we close the box in order to accelerate the whitening effect of the agua oxinada. And place the box outside under the heat of the sunlight. After 2 hours of waiting. After 4 hours of waiting. Notice the changes of its color. After 5 hours of waiting, whitening effect are now visible.
After result. Okay.
Agua oxinada can be reused in the next bleaching. If agua oxinada solution is not used anymore, dispose it properly. Don't forget to click and subscribe our YouTube channel.